are conducting an experiment to see if eating certain foods can make you smell. The food techs in green have been eating garlic for a week. We're about to see if our blindfolded nose can pick them out of a lineup.
Okay, Dad, not smelling any food here. Actually smells pretty clean. I can actually smell the soap, though.
Thank you, number one. Food tech number two, please approach the nose. Are you getting anything from the skin of this food tech?
I'm getting something, and I kind of want to smell this again because I'm also getting something coming from a fragrance that mimics being by the sea.
Food tech, you smell of the sea. Fascinating. And now food tech number three.
Okay, here I'm detecting some food-like odors, but I don't believe it's coming from what she's eating. I believe it's coming from a lotion that she's wearing, and I can smell some fruity notes.
Food tech number four, please approach the nose.
Definitely no food notes here, and instead I'm smelling some wood notes.
Food tech, have you been chopping wood? And last but not least, food tech number five.
Ooh, on this arm I can definitely smell some garlic.
Really? Food tech number five, thank you for your service. Now, Ray, I believe you indicated that you wanted another crack at smelling food tech number two.
Yes, it was two, and if I could, Ted, could I also have their other arm because I was detecting fragrance?
This is a little creepy, I have to say.
Okay, Ted, I am detecting some food. Now you can smell the garlic coming through the pore.
I see. It appears that the nose knows garlic.
But how will he do with curry spices?
It's time for the spice panel.
Getting a little bit of powder, but that's about it. I'm not smelling any food on this as well. Yeah, I'm detecting some food here. There is like a chili note.
All right, very interesting. Thank you, number three.
Okay, what I'm actually smelling came from a fragrance you probably had on a few days ago.
And finally, food tech number five.
I have to admit that this is a little tougher. There's definitely a food-like spice, and I'm seeing it more blended than I did before.
Thank you, number five. Well, that was interesting. So apparently it's a little bit harder to detect curry spice than garlic.
It was definitely harder to do, yes.
But I'm pleased to say that you were absolutely correct. And so the nose evidently also knows spice, even though it's a little more difficult than garlic. Impressive.
So, food can make you smell. Our nose focused on the food tech's sweat, but bad breath can contaminate much of the air around you. And research suggests that essential oils in garlic and spices are passed into your blood and aerated into the lungs. That means they can be on your breath long after you've brushed your teeth.
We have confirmed that if you consume large quantities of odoriferous foods like curry and garlic, your body is likely to smell like your dinner. Whether that's a problem is your call.